slurred speech.
Slurred speech? Let's talk about your new jelly expander, okay?
This is your new jelly appliance, and you're going to wear it all the time. Yep, all the time, even when you're eating. It's really important that at the end of the day, before you go to bed, you take it out and you clean it really, really well. When you're cleaning your jelly, it's really important not to use hot water. Hot water will deform and kind of warp your new jelly, so make sure that you just use cold water and you can use toothpaste and that will get it cleaned really well. The only time you can take it out is if you're swimming, because it might fall to the bottom of the pool and you won't be able to get it. When you first put your jelly in, it might feel kind of weird swallowing, so we just recommend eating smaller bites and taking smaller sips of drinks. You're also going to have slurred speech, which is totally normal. What you can do is read a book out loud or talk to your friends as much as possible to get used to that. Also, your teeth might be a little sore just because your teeth are going to be moving around, so we just recommend taking headache medicine and eating soft food. Now we're going to talk about turning your appliance.
So when looking at your jelly, this is your shiny side and this is your dull side. The shiny side, you'll also be able to see it has the arrow right in the center. We're going to give you a key. With this key, you're going to put it in the hole that's in the middle. It's right here. So you insert the key in the hole. Once you've inserted the key in the hole, you're going to turn your appliance. So when you turn, you're going to pull the key down. You're going to pull it down like you would turn off a light switch. You pull it in the direction where the arrow is going. So you're going to pull it downward. You're going to do that one time. And then it's really important not to go back and undo your turn like that. So when you pull it out, to make sure it's down all the way. It's kind of hard to get it out, so you have to do a little wiggle and then you'll be able to pull it out. After you've done your turn, you're going to put it back in your mouth. Because it's been expanded now, you need to take both thumbs and push it really good so it sits at the roof of your mouth. Sometimes people make mistakes. They'll be turning it the right way a few times and then they'll accidentally get confused and they'll start turning it the opposite way and undo all of their turns. So that's why it's really important that when you're turning, you pay attention to the arrow, you make sure the arrow is pointing at you and you're doing your turns downward towards you, not the other way.
You're going to turn your jelly 2 times a week. So that's Tuesdays and Fridays. After your teeth have expanded, we'll have you continue wearing your jelly for a period of time, just so your bone can solidify and your teeth won't go back to where they were in the beginning. Now we'll talk about the metal part on your expander. We're going to be adjusting those today. We also call the metal part training wheels because they do, like training wheels, they have the potential to break off. If they do break, it's not a big deal, we'll just clip them off. With your new expander, we're also going to give you a rainbow card. On the back of your rainbow card, and while you're turning your jelly, we want you to keep track of all of your turns. Once you've filled out the back of the rainbow card with lots of stickers, that's about as many turns as you're going to need. Bring in that card and you'll be able to win a prize. Prize. If you have any questions at all, please let us know and we'll answer them for you, okay?
So let's review.
You're going to wear it all the time. You take it out and you clean it really, really well. The only time you can take it out is if you're swimming, eating smaller bites and taking smaller sips of drinks. So is read a book out loud or talk to your friends as much as possible. When you turn, you're going to pull the key down in the direction where the arrow is going downward. You're going to do that one time, but you need to take both thumbs and push it really, really good so it sits at the roof of your mouth. You're going to turn your jelly 2 times a week, and we want you to keep track of all of your turns.
That's the end. Rock your new expander, okay?